Hey everybody, this is Jeff. Here's a quick overview of the Evertel platform. On Evertel, there are two primary communication methods: team rooms and agency contacts. Team rooms are like large chat groups. They are far more secure than emails. They're also very timely. Your employees respond faster because they know it's important to the team. Once you create a secure room, you simply add the employees you want to collaborate with. Agency-wide rooms? Well, these are like an all-call alert for executives. These messages are very critical and sent to all employees in less than 1 second. They can be used for emergencies, disaster response, or even a health and safety message for all employees. Agency contacts? This is your direct messaging feature. It replaces common texting since that is not safe or compliant. With agency contacts, you control who you want to message. You can also create a small team chat for you plus 5 other Evertel users. Using consumer apps while working could jeopardize your career. Evertel was created specifically for your profession. So let's get your agency started today.